Oh my goodness. What do you got for us today, Ike?
You're gonna love it, dude.
Oh, you know I love Hondas, man.
Yeah, man. This is a 1983 Honda ATC 200E, I think. So it's a 200cc Honda Big Red three-wheeler.
Dude, I've always wanted one of these things. The tires are freaking huge.
They are massive.
So you picked it up for $340, which is a steal. It's the cheapest one I've seen online ever, I think.
Yeah, I don't think it was too bad. Now, if it's a total hunk of junk, then I guess I didn't get a great deal. But
Right.
it seems to have compression.
Excellent. So no carburetor.
No carburetor.
It doesn't run right now. The fuel tank is questionable condition. But
Yeah.
dude, we need to see if this thing is going to run, because I would love to add one of these to our fleet.
Hey man, what do you think of the gun rack?
Oh, is that? I didn't even notice that. That's funny, man. So a few days ago, Ike went out and bought the cheapest Honda Big Red on Facebook. He paid $340 for it. Doesn't run, doesn't have a carburetor. It has compression. There's no pull rope. The front end is totally frozen up. So there's a lot of TLC this thing needs, but we're going to see if we can make it run in today's video. So we're going to be using a 22mm Mikuni carburetor from our sponsor GoPowersports.com with a nice pod filter. That carburetor was already on our drag mini bike and should bolt right up to this 200. Oh. What's really cool though is it has high and low range, which is freaking sweet. What?
The mice have been in here.
Glad you didn't just hook it up, man.
Oh yeah, we've been sucking in foam.
I want to propose a trade.
Okay.
Hand sanitizer for this plus cash on your end. Go Power Sports actually has a brand new offering of a mini bike tank that we're going to be using on our Gambler 500 bike, which is, that race is still happening as far as I know as of like March 15th. Anyway, we got a tank.
Hey, I think
we can make it work.
I think we can make that work. It actually looks halfway decent.
Dude, it
We'll
looks
just
slick.
yeah. We can just zip tie it or
Ratchet
build
strap.
build a bracket.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I would like to go online and try to find an original tank, though.
I think that would be the best thing.
But for testing purposes only.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. No, this looks great. So we got a tank. We also have a battery, also from Go Power Sports. We're going to put in here. And we're going to see if this electric start works. Hey, that's promising. Awesome. So now that we know that Big Red turns over, we're going and doing things like installing a battery, installing a fuel tank. And so that's not the original style fuel tank, but it works really, really well. And we were able to rig it up to make it fit on there. So now we just need to put some fuel in it, and we still need to figure out like hot wire. Oh, you fixed it.
It just started working.
Yeah, our start button was broken.
Yep.
So we just need a little cleaning.
Just
That
needs
is
a little
awesome.
love.
So we should have
awesome.
spark and everything.
Well, I hope so. Boy, she is chunky sounding, dude.
Yeah.
I hope it's okay. All right, so we can screw this back on and
Put gas in it and see what happens?
well, pull the spark plug out and see if we have spark.
Perfect.
Then we'll
Gas.
put gas in. And start.
Button stop working. Classic.
So we gotta clean it up.
I don't see anything.
Thought I did.
Am I not grounded good enough here?
You should be.
We took the plug out and cranked it over. No spark from the spark plug. We took the plug off of the plug wire, stuck a screwdriver in it, still no spark, so it's not the spark plug. So we're thinking it could be the CDI or the coil.
Or all the above.
Or all of the above, exactly. So we have a spare CDI stolen from a Trail 70. We're hoping that it's the same.
Did you just drop it?
Yep. So we have a spare CDI from a Trail 70. We're hoping that it's going to be the same style, and it'll fix all our problems. So there was actually another ground we had to disconnect.
Yeah.
And it sparked over just fine. So we're going to try the original CDI again.
Yep.
See if that works for us.
Yep.
We got spark, buddy.
Dang, dude.
Sweet.
All right, I'm turning that off to see if we should still have spark.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Let's put some fuel in it. I'll put the spark plug in while you put fuel in it.
Sounds good.
Oh
man.
God.
Oh, okay.
Jesus. Is the camera rolling for that?
Yeah, it was. Let me get a funnel. You're a little afraid?
Yeah.
Dude, it sounded chunky, man. Spinning over like that.
Sounds like a rod knock, which I'm wondering if it's worth rebuilding or
getting a new engine. I don't know. Well, I guess we'll cross that bridge, man.
Yeah.
Please work. The freaking button.
I'm taking it off.
Oh. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. Hey, let's change the oil. Alright.
Change the oil?
Yeah. I mean, we know it runs, man. We know there's probably half a gallon of water in there. I gotta take it for a ride first.
Let's see if it'll go in gear.
You got to, man. You got to. No freaking way, dude.
I need a helmet.
Yeah, for sure. And we know there's probably water in that crankcase, dude. I like it. I'm into it. You were doing like 5 miles an hour and the thing tried to flip over, like...
You can tell how unstable they are.
I mean, yeah, no, like, I love a three-wheeler as much as the next guy, but, like, who thought that this would be safe for people?
I don't know, man, but I'm really digging this thing.
Yeah, dude. $340 right here.
Wait a minute.
Dude, what? Why is there a spring in there? Did I mess up?
I don't know. I told you to go there. Maybe we ought to,
Internet?
yeah, YouTube how to change oil on a Honda Big Red. I mean, it's possible there's a filter in there. I don't know.
Dude,
let's
yep,
YouTube it real quick. All right.
So I did some internet searching on YouTube. Turns out, oh, there's just a screen in here, and that's it. Looks pretty clean, if I do say so myself.
Apparently, you need to pull the dipstick before doing this oil change.
Dude, for some reason it just was trickling, and then I took the dipstick out, and bam, it looked like a darn Niagara Falls.
Yep. All right.
So,
I feel so much better now.
yeah, I was like, man, did I ride this with no oil? I mean, it looks bad, but it doesn't look like... Well, I guess I need to get a better look at it.
It looks pretty nasty.
But I don't see any water.
Yeah, I don't think it's been changed since the 90s.
Since '84.
So this is the filter.
Pretty cool. Lifetime filter, dude.
The later models apparently have regular filters.
All right, man, let's see what Big Red's got. Oh my goodness.
We only have front brakes.
That tree looked very close.
Oh!
You all right?
Right in the nuggets.
In the plums?
In the plums. There's no suspension, I forgot.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Did I get air?
Yeah, dude, you got some air.
Not much, but
Oh, yeah, that's some air, though. How do you like it?
I love it.
It looks so goofy, man. It looks awesome.
Let's try the other range.
Low range? All right, man, I gotta try it.
So, I just found out this is John's very first time on a three-wheeler.
Yeah, dude, my parents didn't even let me get a dirt bike when I was a kid. There was no way in heck they'd let me near a three-wheeler.
I don't even think they know about it yet.
Oh, they don't even know it exists. All right, so shift patterns backwards?
Shift patterns backwards.
All right,
So you got to go up.
up is
No,
what?
wait. Down to go into first gear. Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is death on wheels.
I think he just found out no suspension.
We need to do a Grand Prix lap before the sun goes down, man.
Yeah, sounds good. Who wants to go first? I mean, you're already...
I'm not even gonna do it.
Oh, you're not?
No.
All right, I'll do it.
Ready, set, go. Coming in two wheels across the line with a 3824. I think that's our fastest three-wheeled vehicle ever, man.
It's the only one. What was it, 34?
Yeah, it was 34.
I think I can do better.
You think you can do better?
Yeah.
All right, 3824 is time to beat.
38?
38.24. It was slow.
I thought it was 34.
Maybe I said it wrong. My name's Ricky Bobby, and if you don't ride a Big Red, then screw you. Ready, set, go.
Whoa!
$37.50. Man, I think I need one for my place. It is awesome.
Yeah, dude.
So your second time was $37.50. So it was an improvement.
You're not gonna get a whole lot better.
No, dude. I mean, you're practically on two wheels the whole
Yeah,
time.
dude.
It is awesome.
I love it.
Big Red running and riding for like $340 plus carburetor plus fuel tank. So we got to thank our sponsor GoPowersports.com for hooking us up with these parts. If you need parts for your Big Red or any of your other mini bike or go-kart power sport projects, visit Go Power Sports and let them know that Cars and Cameras sent you. The 80s must have been an exciting time, guys. I wasn't there, yeah.
I loved the 80s.
Dang, man. The fact that these were being sold, I mean, I dig it. It's a total death trap, but I love it. So we need to get the rear brakes working. Like I said, front end rebuilt. It needs some things here and there, but like Big Red for $340, which is really, really cheap in our area anyway. So anyway, dude, you know, you want to have a drag race real quick?
With what?
I mean, there are a couple of other perfectly good Hondas sitting right over there.
Mark, get set, go.
Can't launch it. All right, that was fun.
That was.
Congrats, man.
Thank you. So, buy a t-shirt.
That's right. Cars-Cameras.com. Support the channel, guys.
Yep.
Hope you guys are staying safe out there. Support your local businesses in this time of craziness.
Yes. And
yeah, wash your hands. Use hand sanitizer.
That's right.
But don't trade your car for a bottle of hand sanitizer.
No, that's just nuts.
Yeah.
So
Don't
anyhow.
be a John.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Oh my
All right,
goodness.
guys. Have a good one.
Check me out at Isaac. It'll be fine.